This is the first question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2B. This is a harder set of reading and writing questions. You read the question and then you know that you're talking about a sentence completion. You read the paragraph. In addition to being an accomplished psychologist himself, Francis Cecil Sumner was a blank, increasing the opportunity for black students to study psychology, helping to found the psychology department at Howard University, a historically black university. If I gave my own word, I might say supporter. What comes after the punctuation will help you out as well. Sometimes there's a synonym to the blank already in a sentence, helping. He was a helper. So supporter or helper, proponent of is your best answer. See the full-length video, including why the wrong answer is wrong. Check us out on YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center. Long videos above this. Have a great day.